Thank you for purchasing the new Mifo 07 Dynamic Speaker Noise Cancelling True Wireless Earbuds. If this is your first Mifo set, watch on to see how you can set it up quick. When you first open up the storage case, first remove the tiny blue contact tips that you'll find when taking out each earbud. This is extremely important because without doing so, the earbuds will not connect with the storage case, which also means you won't be able to charge them. After removing the tips, pop the earbuds back in and you'll find that the earbuds and the light indicators will light up. Take the earbuds out again from the case and this time pull out your phone and select the Bluetooth function. You should find the Mifo_07R showing up. Once it says connected, a window should also pop up with a pairing request. Otherwise, simply click pair on the pop-up window and your Mifo earbuds are ready to serve your ears. In case of resetting your earbuds, just repeat the steps and your earbuds should be good to go again.